Hey everyone, it's Nicole and this is my introduction to my YouTube channel. And basically, yeah, I'm just gonna be introducing myself. This is just gonna be like just to give you an idea. If you're new to my stuff, this will give you an idea of what I do. I started drawing at the age of 16 years and I'm completely self-taught, so everything I've done since then I did not have no knowledge. I did not use anything to I did not go to art classes. I did not have no art subject in school. I just felt the need to do art, and then I said I'm gonna do it even though I had no knowledge of it. So that's basically how it started. I started drawing behind used library pages. See that this is like an artwork, and it's done behind these, yeah, on the library pages. That's how I started drawing. And since I started, I said I'm never gonna stop, so let's get into it. Maybe in this video I'll just be drawing something not too difficult, just to give an idea of my style. I've had a lot of people asking me to do some kind of tutorials and stuff like that, just to teach, because it's very hard to find people with the right state of mind, people that are passionate about art but they don't know where to start, they don't know how to go about it. So I just want to give them an idea of how I did it, because I had no knowledge of art. So when I started, I just used my mind. I didn't even have internet at that time there. So many people said I'm thinking about opening a YouTube channel for like teaching, and because I'm self-taught, so I also have to find my own way to teach. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you all the ways and the styles that I've been using to do my art, and like maybe hopefully y'all can adapt the same technique, and then you'll be able to at least get a hang of art. This is getting boring. Should have closed the window and all the sounds coming from outside. I'm joking, I'm okay. Basically, you'll see some of the styles there. Mostly I do portraiture work, but I do a whole bunch of other stuff. Anyway, let's get to it. Basically, this is like the 2017 work, and then you can compare the difference. This is like a new style that I've been trying on Fabriano. So the first thing I do is just, if I'm drawing from a reference, I just take all the, like everything I see, and I turn it into shapes, because everyone understands the idea of shapes. So if I take everything and I turn it into shapes, I don't know what I just said there, but anyway. Yeah, so but what on earth did I draw? I mean, this is what I'm not. Okay, so guys, this was just the first video. You know, when you say you want to do it and you never really get the chance to do it, so I just said I'm gonna start it off, and then this will be my first video. So guys, I just want to thank you all for taking the time to sit and listen to me talk. And don't worry, that other videos hopefully are not going to be as boring as this one. The next videos I'm going to be doing full tutorials. This one was just everyone has their first video, so you gotta give me a chance here. Okay. I am recalling. I'm recalling. Unfortunately, I don't have any editing things like that to finish up my videos, so I am recalling. Anyway.